You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this name? The name of a city in Kentucky. There are a number of cities also named this way in France. Alright, so let's break down. In the US, it is said as Louisville. Alright, so let's break down why this is. Well, first, Louis. The name Louis in French is pronounced as Louis with a silent S. So this literally means the city of Louis or Louis. So Louisville. Ville is French for city. Ville is how to say it in French. Louisville, or in French, Louisville. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.